This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Remove the glove box mounting screws. Pull out the glove box and disconnect the electrical connector. Then remove the glove box. Remove the metal brace that blocks access to the cabin filter access door. Remove the cabin filter door. Remove the cabin filter elements. If there are two elements, note the direction in which they are both facing. The airflow arrow should point to the left on both. Install the filter elements in the correct direction. Install the filter door. Install the metal brace to the mounting location in front of the filter door and tighten the screws securely. Raise the glove box into position and connect the electrical connector.